Hi guys, hello and mabuhay. Welcome back to my channel, Junris React. How are you all guys? I hope you're doing well and amazing. And for today's video reaction, let's travel to one of our favorite country, which is Poland. Dzień dobry to our Polish people, police artists and supporters with this reaction video of ours or our channel. The title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is a performance, and this is a video request reaction to my requested last previous reaction from Asap Avidan. I'll put in here guys so that you can check with that one and see his or her name who commented and asked me to make some video reaction to performance of Yastaina, because I think he just commented because there is something dark and depth of the song, of the performance of, I know it's been a long time because this is 13 years ago, but we have a lot of video reaction to Yastaina even when she just represented Eurovision 2025. And the title of this video that we need to do some reaction for today is Rugu Moj, an XV, an official music video performed by Yastaina Stikowska. And credit also with the owner of the video, of course, the artist itself, Yastaina Stikowska. I'll put in the description box below so that you can connect also with the owner of the video and watch the full video, since we have to make some few cuts of it for the video reaction purposes and commentaries. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel, Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see in the description box below. Let's get to it, guys, and enjoy with this amazing performance of Yastaina Stikowska, Rugu Moj, and XV. Oh my God.
You're a superhero.
Fun with this. Oh, the room, it's dark. What's that black? Oh my God, that shadow. The stone. Oh my God, this is so like death, sorrow. There is dark in it. I don't know that it is his her shadow or something that's like there is an evil thing that's wanting to get her, or yeah, just let me know in the comment section, guys. But the tone she's giving, it's so amazing. That's why I really like Yastaina, because she has this very unique voice that you truly love and enjoy listening, and that's incredibly amazing. And I like the way how they just made this music video that you can still, you can like, you have things to ponder and to understand with this one. Even this was like 13 years ago, but still you will appreciate this. God. Oh God! Oh Oh my goodness. I don't know how to interpret with this one, but I think there is something bad things that really like disturb in her mind, that this dark is like getting into her and just like fighting with it, and like knowing also, like hearing the voice of Yastaina, she's making something so dark that you're in a dark place, and then you just heard her singing. It's still beautiful and crazy, incredible, and amazing tone that she's giving. That's why I really like her, because she just performed the song with so much passion and emotion that you truly love and enjoy. That there is always drama in it that you truly have to understand deeply, and she's incredibly amazing. And I like the way they just did, even just the simplicity of the video, because in just one room, but the darkness of it, the goodness, it's like mind-blowing. Oh god. Oh my god. Ah, yeah. See, that's her other like dark side, that telling her that to call herself, and like, oh my goodness, this is truly interesting, that if you dig in into it, there's a lot of meaning to this song that you truly have to understand. That, oh my god, there is always something in our body or in our like mind that it's dark, that do the bad things, and it just like as for Steiner's inner self, she just fight for those bad things that happened to her. Oh my God, this is incredible. This is nice. Those like tone that she's giving, it's like amazing also. Oh my God, this is terrible. Good. Oh my God. I don't know what's the meaning of that like crystal ball that's holding the black one, and they just like fighting with it and getting with it. and like the dark side of Yastaina was like fighting and like wanting to get her, and the like her white inner sense or light that fighting with the dark that don't get me yet is something like that is telling. Oh my God. And those voice is like phenomenal. Those something so dark down, sorrow and bad things, that stranger something in it. Goodness gracious. Bravo, Yastaina. Oh God, those blend, those voice. She won? She survived with this? I don't think so. Oh my God, that was insanely good and great, that you truly have to ponder and to understand with this amazing and incredible video of Justina. I really like those tone that she's giving, that it's so in other part of the world. She's bringing you into the world that it's so dark. It's like giving you the stone that's sorrowful, darkness, and that's incredibly amazing. Allow me to read some like comments of those people. The video, the lyrics, the music, everything fits together perfectly. A masterpiece. Yes, Tina is not a singer. She is an artist, and I agree with this one. I was a big fan of her. Even like the first time I just watched and listened with her in the Eurovision Song Contest 2025, and she showed how talented she is. How I've lived for 24 years, I haven't seen such an idea for a music video. Mega interesting. Indeed, you truly have to understand with that one. The frames with the battle breaking, all of them, great. All you need is a glass ball, two people, a mattress, a monitor, a chair, an empty building, and creativity. This is so creative, and I salute and kudos to all the team making this video reaction. It's simply just magic. There's no other way to describe such a masterpiece, and I agree with you all, guys. And yeah, if you enjoyed watching with this one, and thank you so much to the person who suggested with this amazing video of Yastaina. Just leave your comments for my next video reaction to Yastaina or any Polish artist that you want me to react. Put in the comment section. I would love to read and respond with you all. And please do consider like, share, and subscribe also with my channel. Junris React, and be part of our member that you can see at the description box below. And you can help this channel by sending your super thanks that you can see in here. Thank you so much. God bless. And yeah, mabuhay kayong lahat. See you in my next video reaction. Bye-bye, guys. Dzień dobry to everyone.